There's a specific kind of silence you only find in places the world has forgotten. No cars, no chatter, just you and the elements and the echoes of what used to be. See, I'm still relatively new to this, but urban exploration has completely changed the way I see the world. So you've seen my drone shots before. This isn't about the drone in the sky, this is about the stories on the ground. I need to address something important. In my earlier videos I made a mistake. I shared the exact location of the spots I visited. At the time I thought I was being helpful, however I've learned that doing just that actually ruins the very thing that we enjoy. The first rule of Urbex is very simple. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and never reveal the location. See, the problem that we have here is if a spot gets viral, it will get trashed, graffitied, and even sealed up. To protect these places, my future videos won't entail the locations. We have to keep the mystery alive to keep the place safe. For a photographer or a filmmaker, these places are sanctuary. It's the ultimate creative challenge. You are alone with the elements. The way the light hits the decaying wall, or how nature starts to reclaim a room. It's raw, it's quiet, and it's incredibly cool to witness. I'm still using my drone, of course. It's the best tool I have to capture the scale of the ruins. If you're thinking of getting into urban exploring, there's a code of conduct you have to follow. It's not just about the locations, it's about the respect. If it's locked, it's locked. We find our way in, but we don't make one. Oftentimes, these structures are failing. Always watch your step and never go alone if you can help it. And lastly, don't move things for a better shot. The beauty is in the stillness. I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with me as I learn and explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.